Hello everyone, this is your instructor. I wanted to go through a couple of things in Excel before the very start of this course, before we ever get started, just to make sure that we all have these options turned on. Now these should appear this way in Excel version 2013 and 2016, which most of you are going to have. If you have an earlier version of 2000 or of Excel, then you'll probably need to contact me separately so we can figure out how to turn these things on for you. Their textbook might tell you actually how to turn them on as well. Let's start by first firing up Excel. And I'll open a blank spreadsheet. Then I'm going to go over to File and pull down to Options. Look over to Options. You'll see this Options dialog box come up. The two things that I want you to look for are two add-ins. So let's click on Add-ins. It brings up the add-ins box and tells you which ones are active and which ones are available. Down at the bottom, it allows us to manage our Excel add-ins. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to give us a list of 4 add-ins. These are add-ins that have been downloaded and are available. We need 2 of them. The first one we need is the Analysis Toolpack. So you'll need to check that box and make sure that box is checked when you're done. And the other one that we need is the Solver add-in. So you'll need to have both of these boxes checked. When you click OK, it will, if it doesn't already have these add-ins, it will enable them, bring them down and enable them and make them available to you. The reason why these are important is because when you're in Excel throughout this class, there will be times when we go to the Data tab and we pop over first to Solver. There's Solver, and it allows us to do functions that use the Solver add-in. The other thing that we'll be able to do is go to the Data tab, pop over to Data Analysis, and it gives us a list of analysis tools that we are able to use with some of the stuff that we'll be doing in this class. So that's it. Just make sure that those 2 add-ins are enabled and they're available to you. You won't need them immediately, but you will need them fairly soon when we start getting into things like optimization and k-means clustering and the like. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.